101.1 FM, the spirit of Indonesia, Smart FM, Smart listener. Hi, hi, hi.
Hi.
Welcome back with me. Today, I'm Dewi as a representative from BPEC, taking for the chance to be the host today, and it's very honor for me. And please clap hand for me. Clap hand, a small hand. I'm a little bit nervous actually because for a long time I finally back to be as a host for today. And today for sure I'm not alone because I'm with BPEC to bring 1 hour about 1 hour to bring our best program that is Smart Up Your Life. And our topic is going to be about work-life balance, yeah. But before that, I'm going to explain. From the president of BPEC, explaining what is BPEC and what the item of BPEC and anything include the program BPEC itself. So time is yours.
Okay, hello smart listener. I am Achang. I'm as a committee in BPC. So yeah, actually in BPC itself, it's the oldest community in Makassar, and yeah, we have an activity every Sunday. Namely, it's weekly Sunday meeting, right? And yeah, we conduct in the multimedia in front of Muhammadiyah University of Makassar, and yeah, there are several items we will over to you. Actually, there are 6 items. Number 1 is who am I? We will you can introduce yourself, and the number 2 we have ice breaking. Yeah, we will play a game related with English. And number 3 we have D&D. It is discussion and debating. So actually we will discuss about the topic, and after that we will debate. I really believe it will improve your confidence and so on and so forth. And number 4 we have a building skill. So building skill itself, we will learn about the theory related with the English, like pronunciation, grammar, or something like that. And then number 5, we have entertainment. Entertainment itself, yeah, you can show in your ability, like you can wanna play a guitar, sing a song, or something like that. And the last, we have announcement. And yeah, you can share about your knowledge related with, you can share about your information like scholarship, or you wanna invite the participant to join your wedding party or something like that. I think that's all. And yeah, for your information, guys, if you wanna become as a part of BPC, now we will open recruitment, and you can follow IG BPC Makassar. Thank you.
And when it will be established for that program, English camp?
Yeah, and also English camp we will do probably 4 until 5 December.
What is the qualification to get there to join this program? I mean, is it all for everyone?
Yeah,
for
sure.
Any average or age?
Oh, okay. So yeah.
And any background?
We cannot all of people you can join with us, even if you are like as a worker, student, or probably you as a college student. It's okay. You all of the people can join with us. Yeah. Thank you, Kak.
And how much we have to pay?
Actually, 100.
100. Oh, okay.
Okay, thank you, Kak.
So, yeah, that's it. That's from BPC representative about the detail of BPC and the program that will come in a nearly time. And yeah, please join BPC because the more is the merrier. So, Achang, first, you look so, how to say, from your outfit, because today we are wearing the same outfit actually. Hoodie, yeah, it's a hoodie.
Yeah, sure.
Types actually. How was your day? How was your activity? I mean, maybe you can a little bit explain what you have been through for from the in the morning, in earlier morning until right now.
Yeah, usually
before you arrive to radio.
I'm really confused because I have several activities right now. Cause tomorrow I will go. I'm gonna going to Bau-Bau, and exactly there are a lot of requirement, like we have to going by PCR or something like that. And yeah, I think I already do that, and I'm really proud because I can attend attend right now.
Oh.
Yeah, actually.
So you go by airplane or?
Yeah, airplane.
Oh, you go alone.
No, just today. 2 days.
What kind of event you want to
Actually,
attend?
I have activity in there. My auntie, they have a child, and yeah, they wanna like do akikah.
Oh,
Yeah, akikah.
so it sounds a bit, how to say, like luxurious, yeah, because you got invited from them and you go by airplane. I think you must be rich, your
Yes,
family,
sure.
yeah.
Sure. Actually, this is the first time I using airplane.
Oh, airplane! Oh, your first airplane! Oh, I'm happy for you. I wish you don't get jet lag. You know jet lag?
Amin.
Mabuk
mabuk.
udara, ya, mabuk udara.
Yeah.
I wish you can survive for that.
Yeah.
Anyway, don't you ask me about how am I today?
Yeah, exactly. I'm really curious to what is your feeling today, Kak, and how are you today?
Today it's a little bit complicated, but I'm running it well. I'm so thankful and alhamdulillah that even though Jasmine is not so healthy, in a bad condition, she's, you know, that she's in puberty, and with her puberty situation, she almost has like her body like trying to accuse her that like she gets sick, and because before that she is not a typical to get easily sick like me too. She's a stronger actually, but
sure.
today she got not today but from yesterday she got how to say, like got fever and damage a little bit. But then before I came here, actually I was confusing because I myself as a mother,
Yeah, sure.
I cannot see my daughter, my kids. I think all of the mother will having the same feeling like me.
Yeah.
But then she, you know what? She asked me, when I tell her that, is it okay if I go, Kakak, because you are still sick? And she said, "What? Where do you wanna go, Bunda?" Then I say to her that I'm going to radio. Maybe Bunda will taking as a host today. And then she said, "What? I'm support for you, Bunda. I'm proud of you. That's why you have to go." And she gave me a big supporting. She's the real my how to say, support system. No matter what, she's in a bad condition, then she make me sure that I can I can truth it well.
Yeah.
And that's why she said that I'm going to be okay, but please go, because if you go, I can hear your voice or checking it by YouTube. I can see checking it by my cell phone.
Oh, they
That's why
always watch you in YouTube?
yeah,
Okay.
because she has a data for her.
Oh,
phone.
yeah, they need
Every
data.
time I leave her at home with her little sister, I have to make it sure about her data. So no problem at home, and she can easily to contact me anytime when there is a little bit trouble at home. But I wish not happen. There is no any small things happen there.
Okay.
So Achang, today we are going to discuss about work-life balance. Yeah. And you are as a student, of course, doesn't mean that you have no any problem for your student life situation, like the way you handle, because you are also as a president of BPC, and
Sure.
you taking some of organization outside, include your in your campus. And of course I'm pretty sure that you are so a kind of busy person. How do you overcome this situation to enjoy your life while you have to be a busy person also to in your activity?
Yeah, actually, I have several activity. I'm really busy right now, but I also realize the health is very important. That is why if I have like free time, exactly I will do exercise like gym in our home, like just push up. Yeah, at least.
So you can push up?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, I have to see it later. Yeah, I I don't trust you.
Yeah, you have to
You
trust me.
still looks like a spoiled little boy.
Oh.
Anak manja.
No,
I'm
no,
sorry, I
no.
blame you. But the way you talk, the way you sometimes messy words, or like you try to control your words. But I'm wrong. I'm sorry.
Yeah, you never seen my stomach.
Oh.
Berkotak-kotak.
Oh, okay. Like roti sobek ya.
Sure. I'm kidding. This is just one pack.
Oh, okay.
But I try to exercise at least how to say keringat. Yeah, it will
Sweets.
sweet. At least we can feel sweet, for example. And exactly. If I busy, if like Sunday, sometimes after weekly meeting in the night, I will exercise like push up, or also I have actually application which one I imitate this, like we have a step. We have one day, and it is the day we just push up, and after that we how to say bangun tidur.
You wake up.
Wake up, and so on and so forth. So actually I think that's all for me. So what about you? How you can work life balance in your life? Because I'm really curious. I'm really believe you have a lot of experience about that, right? Because you have a kids. How you can teach them to work life balance in their life? So
Yeah, because like I said many times before that I'm not like ordinary typical mother, that only having the same activity a whole day, because normally I always ready to face all of the surprising activity that I starting from my first morning, that what I'm going to do today. And I have sometimes I put it as a list, but in most of my times I don't put it as a list also, because I taking it as a like a life surprise, and for many times, like making special dishes, masakan, special cuisine for my kids, for my husband, and after that I preparing for my children to go school, because it's already about 3 weeks last they face the offline school. And I do like you, there is no day I face without exercising at home, because I have my own gym tools.
Oh,
I have
yeah.
my own gym tools, so I don't need to go out.
Oh,
only
yeah.
for modus, for modus, like ordinary mother to go to exercising. But after the exercising only taking 5 minutes, but then after that the mothers going to the going to the restaurant, or taking bubur ayam or something like that. For me it's useless, so that's why I'm doing all of the things that makes me productivity at home. And it's so, how to say, like the way you see me, or everyone can see me, that I'm different with another mother, because I can prove it that I'm not going to be boring with my life by starting making it balance our work life every day. So